I think if we do it right and it's done properly, because if what happens now, if they start replacing people with AI, you lose tens, all these people lose their jobs. What happens next? Crime is increases and spending decreases. So nobody wins. So if the corporations want to save money, because everyone will try to save money, right? But if everybody does it at the same time, you're going to have all of these companies laying off people. Crime goes up. No one's going to end up buying these, products or services, and then the companies are going to go down. But if you start looking at ways into retraining, reskilling, moving people into different roles, keep using the AI advancements into creating more opportunities, creating more sales, you can actually see having, the people still working with new AI technologies and more people having more time, free time. So like instead of coming into a 12-hour hustle and bustle, you'll just come into the day, settle everything, prepare all your workflows, do an AI health check, and then you can have a lot more free time, a lot more stress is reduced. So I'm very optimistic if it's done correctly.